carbon fiber shift knob. This is Ford Performance carbon fiber shift knob for the ST, and this is cool. This looks great. We're gonna show you some funny instructions that Ford put together. Definitely worth showing you, and then we're gonna install it and then give you some feedback. Now, this is an official Ford Performance part, which is cool because when the ST came out, there was like a catalog of stuff you could do, and I love that this was part of like the manufacturer's idea. But the instructions are insane. I don't know if somebody was playing a joke or they were high, but look at this. I want you guys to look at the number one instruction. It tells you to remove the original shift knob and to throw it away. No, that is a bad idea. And then it tells you to put some tape, to around it. And where in the world do you get this special tape when you're installing it, which in reality, you just need like a microfiber towel. I get it, you want to protect it, but at the end of the day, the install is pretty straightforward. The only thing we have to worry about is the reverse spring and the reverse mechanism. But let's go ahead and put it on. All right, look at our shift knob. It looks really nice, so we're going to definitely keep it. But what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and put our towel over it. And turning counterclockwise, we're going to remove the shift knob. And our shift knob is off. All right, now we're going to get our new shift knob. We're going to put it in. And then we're going to go ahead and go all the way down. And it's almost there, but we want these numbers to be straight. And I'm thinking that might be it. Let's see. It looks like we still need to go a little further. Looks about right. Now, I went to go put in reverse and it felt a little weird. So what I did is I turned it 2 more times. And the funny thing is that it does have a stop. This kind of goes a little bit past where it's supposed to be centered. And then I went back a little bit and centered it and it was good. So you kind of have to go all the way down till it stops and just go back a tiny bit to center it. And then reverse felt really good. I'm not going to lie. I actually love how it looks. It definitely gives it a more sportier look. And we're going to go for a drive and tell you how it feels. All right, guys. First off, it looks way better. And it definitely has a nice feel. It's a little more fuller in your hand, but it also just feels cool. It has a tiny bit of weight. I wouldn't say it has a big weight difference, but it definitely feels nice because I guess the way that it's shaped and the material, I like it. Like, it's really, really nice. So definitely a win. Definitely Ford knew what they were doing and definitely recommended. So I'm not gonna lie, if I didn't like it, just put it in a box and resell it. But this is definitely a win. And that is a win. Guys, definitely recommend it. Now make sure that you check out the rest of our videos. We have a complete playlist with all kinds of DIY maintenance and upgrade videos for the Ford ST. Thank you for watching, hit that like button, and we will see you soon.